So today, drawing ko kayo. So kanina na-erase natin siya. Tor. Guys, no style. Guys, ito na kaya! Ganda nito, oh look. So today is part 2 naman, okay? Okay, part 2. It's you guys. Bye. Kasi may gagawin ako. Wala nung part 2. Pero mamaya pag mainit ako ng velvet ng hapon, part 2. Okay?